This used to be just an old, plain box. I decided to give it a brand new life, with colors and creativity. First, I applied a layer of gesso to prep the surface. This helps the paint stick better and makes the colors pop. Then, I painted an abstract background using soft blends of blue, white, pink, and yellow. I wanted the base to look dreamy and artistic, like a painted sky. Now for the best part, the textures. I mixed wall putty, white glue, and acrylic colors together to make a thick paste. Using only a palette knife, I slowly sculpted each flower and leaf directly on the box. The textures added a 3D effect that made the flowers feel real and alive. It was a bit time-consuming, but truly satisfying. Every petal, every leaf carries my effort and love. I was inspired by a Pinterest artwork and wanted to try something unique and vibrant. And this is the final result. a completely transformed, one-of-a-kind 3D floral textured box, upcycled, handcrafted, and full of life.